For things you must be good at to make a lot of money. Let's be real. If you want to make more money than most people, you've got to be better than most people at these 4 things. 1. Be great at your skill, or make sure your product is top quality. No one wants to visit a doctor who's not good at what they do. No one wants to send their kids to a teacher who can't really teach. When we're sick, we look for famous doctors, top specialists, trusted clinics. When we want our kids to learn, we find the most experienced and respected teachers. So if you make money through your skill, then your skill must be excellent. If you make money through selling products, your product must be high quality. Look at Apple. People line up every time a new iPhone comes out. People who drive German cars rarely go back to Japanese or Korean ones. Someone who buys a Rolex often ends up buying another one. Sure, you can make money selling cheap stuff in large quantities, but customers won't come back. With a great product, though, they'll keep buying month after month, year after year. Remember, if you sell your skill must be great. If you sell a product, your product must be top-notch. 2. Develop a system mindset. Think in multiples, not singles. When your co-worker feels proud for selling 1 contract, you should already be thinking, how do I sell 100? When they sell 1 car, you should be planning how to sell 100. If you make money only by trading your time, hour for hour, you'll never build wealth. A system thinker looks for ways to multiply results. With the same effort, I'd rather serve 100 people than 1. With the same amount of time, I'd rather earn from 100 customers than 1. That's how you scale your income. That's the mindset of growth and freedom. 3. Be great at sales and marketing. Customers are just people, all kinds of people. Some are nice and polite. Some are difficult and unpredictable, the kind that make you want to scream. But if you argue with customers, lose your temper or talk back, that just shows your sales skills aren't ready yet. Marketing is the same. To sell, you need the right message. Who are you talking to? Someone who's already your customer, someone who's planning to buy soon, or someone who's never even thought about buying from you. Sales and marketing go hand in hand, and you must master both if you want to make serious money. If you're not good at them, you'll still make some money, but not the kind that changes your life. For don't be good at speaking or writing at the end of the day. Everything comes down to communication. If you meet clients face to face, you need to know how to talk so they like you and want to work with you. If you work online, you need to connect and express your message clearly. Selling on Facebook or a website, you need to write well. Write in a way that makes people curious, excited, and ready to buy. Running a YouTube channel, then you need to speak well. Speak in a way that makes people want to listen, understand, and trust you. Being good at speaking or writing is a must if you want to make serious money. If you're not, then you'll either have to train yourself or pay someone else to do it for you. In short, be great at what you do. Think in systems. Master sales and marketing. Speak or write with impact. If getting rich were easy, everyone would already be a millionaire. But it's not. And that's why those who keep learning, improving, and expanding their skills are the ones who rise to the top.